Once upon a time, there was a talented, smart, and beautiful girl who dreamed of traveling the world. She lived her life peacefully with her fairy godmothers. Not until she turned 18 did she have to leave their small town to fulfill her lifelong dream, to be able to travel the world. One day, upon strolling down the forest, she came to witness the enchanting beauty of Bicol University. She heard a lot of rumors about this school. This majestic university aims to give professional and technical training and provide advanced and specialized instruction in literature, philosophy, the sciences, and arts, besides providing for the promotion of scientific and technological researches. It is a university for humanity, characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. A year after. Starting a new chapter in life can be intimidating, but for her, it was a decision she was ready to take. Out of 1,000 people, she was chosen to be one of Bicol University's students, facing the real world head-on as a BUNU.
I am Vanessa A. Banania, a student of College of Arts and Letters, and let me tell you how interesting and beautiful our campus is. The College of Arts and Letters at Bicol University has a rich heritage. Founded on September 10, 2004, under Board of Regents Resolution Number 75. This merging of academic programs from different departments was not just a reorganization but a deliberate move to adapt to changes in higher education, utilizing resources effectively, and promoting a vibrant academic environment. Did you know that the College of Arts and Letters at Bicol University has evolved its programs to meet educational and industry needs while preserving regional and national culture, showcasing the enduring value of arts, culture, language, and communication? As a caliber, I am proud to say that tatak de calibre ako. The College of Arts and Letters offers a lot of versatile programs, but the English language program has captured my heart. The AB English program underwent a significant transformation in 2018, becoming the AB English language program. The revised program aimed to produce versatile graduates equipped to excel in various professional environments by prioritizing communication skills and language proficiencies. The Bachelor of Arts in English Language program aims to provide a comprehensive knowledge of the English language, its origin, growth and development, structure and use. Enhance the students' competencies in the use of the English language in real-world contexts. Present appropriate strategies of language use through a heightened awareness of how English works in different situations in the Philippines, Asia, and the rest of the world. I know that a Bachelor of Arts in the English language will hone my communication skills and language proficiency to cultivate versatile graduates capable of excelling in various professional environments. My aim at Bicol University is to achieve academic excellence, engage in campus events, develop essential skills, connect with fellow students and professors, and equip myself for a prosperous career or advanced studies. As a caliber, I am proud to say that tatak de calibre ako.